So this is question number 20 of GATE 2017 Metallurgical Engineering. A rod is elastically deformed by uniaxial stress resulting in a strain of 0.02. If Poisson's ratio is 0.3, the volumetric strain is. So in this problem, what we have been given is uniaxial stress resulting in strain. So value of strain is mentioned, which is 0.02, and this strain is a result of application of uniaxial stress. Now the Poisson's ratio is given. The Poisson's ratio is 0.3 and we have to calculate the volumetric strain. So what will be the volumetric strain? So first of all, we have to know what is the relation between volumetric strain, Poisson's ratio, uniaxial stress or strain. So first we'll define what is the relation between them, and then we'll try to solve this problem. So the relation is the volumetric strain is given by volumetric strain is equal to 1 minus 2 times Poisson's ratio upon elastic modulus into 3 times the mean stress. So what is mean stress? So mean stress is nothing but, in case of stress acting in all direction, we have a stress component in x direction, y direction and z direction. So these are basically normal stresses acting in x, y and z direction. So mean stress is given by sum of all these three stresses upon 3, right? But in our case it is saying uniaxial stress, right? So we can assume that the value of sigma y and sigma z is 0 in our case, right? So if you put the value of sigma m here, what we will get is, it will simply give you delta, that is volumetric strain, equal to 1 minus 2 times Poisson's ratio upon E into 3 times of mean stress. If you multiply it 3, it will give you sum of stresses in all direction, and we have only stress acting in one direction, right? So let's say that stress is given by sigma. So sigma upon E. So sigma. So if you further simplify it, we will get volumetric strain equal to 1 minus 2 times Poisson's ratio, and stress upon elastic modulus will nothing but, it is a value of strain coming from the uniaxial stress. So this is a relation which we will be using for solving our problem. So simply we have been given this value of Poisson's ratio and value of E. We will put it and we can easily calculate the value of volumetric strain. So 1 minus 2 times 0.3 into the value of strain is 0.02. So it will give us 1 minus 0.6 into 0.02. So 0.4 into 0.02, it will give us 0.008, right? So the value of volumetric strain is equal to 0.008. So this is the correct answer. Thank you.